So you guys can see the temperature currently in Casino, 34 degrees. There's an experiment that I want to try with this egg on this hot sunny day. I want to see how long will it take for me to cook an egg just in the natural sun. So we're gonna try this out on 34 degrees in Australia. Alrighty. Woo. Alright, 12:33. Alright, so we're gonna see how long it takes to cook an egg in the sun. Come on, egg, cook. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Come on. How long are you gonna take to cook? So this is what it turns out to be. So it's not really looking like a cooked egg. It's more looking like just dried up. Yeah, it's not looking anything eatable.